Sorry? We have boys and girls. Have lots of tools. And this is your fire truck. Mom and Dad, this is what your taxes paid for.
And us.
Civilization. These are gates for hydrants. Hydrant gates.
What do you see in what do you think's down in there?
Remember when they said the firefighters that wear coronavirus? I seen them.
Yeah, that's just for the regular for the
I can get up to that cruise seat with
Yeah, it's basically the same thing.
smoke comes out, and they have tools there, and that was over there. This one, that's for breaking open the doors, and then the other stuff I don't know. But the axe, I think is like. All of those are for breaking the doors. They have like maybe like jackets, and they have one toy there, and they have like a bag.
We hear fire trucks all the
Actually,
time.
not as bigger than you. Boxes, and then like there's like a bag, and then some other stuff. So these like the black helmets are for like the regular fire trucks. And then like Chief wears like red helmets. These are like their jackets and pants, and then they have a fire extinguisher there. There is some nozzles, and then like here they have maybe like a speaker there, and then some like that. Maybe that's like a hose.
Felipe, nice to meet you, Philip.
Pleasure.
Hey, have fun, guys.
You can grab onto the wheel, dude. Grab onto the wheel. This wheel. Grab onto that. All right. You gotta make siren sounds. Atta boy.
Thank you to Philip. Thank you to Philip. Thank you.
Yes. Get in their pants.
They're ready to go like that, right?
Daniel!
You're the captain.
They have like the
Right? I'm gonna ask
thingies, and then
You wanna put your
keys
ensemble on?
pads, and then a bunch of buttons here,
Yeah, sure,
and
okay.
a letter there, and then gum, and
Be careful because it's very heavy.
and then you
Put it
can
on,
see
but
the
it's
back
heavy.
from here. They have seats, and that's it.
But you're
And in there, I can see
you wanna
myself.
jump down or you wanna go down yourself?
And then it's the place, and then boom, 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 boom. And then there's like green buttons, red buttons, and a bunch of blue buttons in different shapes over here. And all of them have phones.
I don't want American. Yeah,
So yeah, because these surprises
Yeah.
or something like just have to be there. So yeah.
Yeah, I want Costa Rican stuff. I could go to McDonald's here.
Yes. I went to McDonald's in Costa Rica.
I'll put it on top. Like I didn't fly to South America. So this is our ensemble. It's called a bunker suit. It's like wearing an oven that insulates, as opposed to some European fire departments. They have their BA on. On top of that, we would put our BA on, which is our breathing apparatus, so we can breathe in super yucking environments that would normally kill you. When you're doing a lot of work, you're gonna go through that in 30 minutes.
That's probably why you have to be in really good shape.
It helps.
Look
It helps.
how high that seat is.
It's super high.
He needs to climb up a ladder to get in there.
You can go in there if you want to.
So now going to the BA. If you have air, what do you mean when you use that when it's really young?
We use that, so you mentioned cancer, so most of our cancers are through inhalation or absorption through our skin. So the BA protects our lungs, so we'll wear that anytime that thing out, if there's even a thought, let us deal with it.
So but isn't that when they have it?
Yes.
Good. Huge fan.
Wow, Nick's going on there.
Huge fan.
You could.
Okay, grab here.
We usually do it for kids because a lot of kids are scary. So like in the event of an emergency.
That little bundle there, they can just jump in that and they're ready to
So that's why you hear the breathing. That was just for you to hear me talk.
Right there. Hit the pass alarm, Nick.
Sorry? Yeah.
So when we're in trouble, we press this button. Well, we might not be able to see them. We might be way over there. Of course. It's your button. I am your servant. You can be the captain. I'll sit on the other side. Yeah.